Hey guys, it's Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. It's kind of a bittersweet video because this is going to be the last video I'm filming at this desk. I will have, I think, a haul up this week and another video later on. I want to get back into doing my normal 3 videos a week. It's been a long month, so thank you for hanging in there with me. But I'm very excited, especially to get a new desk because y'all have to have seen this scratch mark for so long now, but I've been just holding out. But I'm really excited for this week's new releases. We have some quote boxes in foil, I think 4 designs, some doodles, the normal 10, a foil bundle, and then 3 kits for this week, all of them being exclusive art and 1 of them being new, 2 of them being reformats. So let's go ahead and get into this. So first things first, let's just go from the top down. So I do have, like I said, some foil releases for this week, and they are summer quote boxes. So I have been doing these, you guys can see, kind of seasonally and with different holidays. So this one is the summer release, and I believe there's 4 different designs. So they do come in gold, silver, rose, and also hollow. I'll just show you them in silver since it's the easiest to see. The first one says, "The beach is calling, salty hair, don't care, good times and tan lines, and tropic like it's hot." Super cute. The next one here again comes in all 4 foils. It says, "Girls just want to have sun, beach don't kill my vibes, see you later," and resting beach face. Super cute, kind of sassy. And then this one here is, "It's summertime, sunshine, state of mind. Every summer has its own story," and summer lovin'. And then last but not least is this one here. And this one says, "Hello summer, life is better in flip-flops. Your voice was the soundtrack of my summer." If you guys know that song, boys like girls, everything. And then you find me under the palms. Find me under the palms. So those are the 4 quote box overlays for this week. And then let's go into the doodles. So we have 10 new doodles for this week. I have so many coming, y'all. I think I'm on sheet like 170 now as far as like what I'm sending to print. I just want to be really ahead, and my goal is to do 10 a week, so I'm always like 100 or so ahead. So this one here is some really cute little pastel flip-flops. This one is a flamingo pool floaty. This one is some money jars, super cute in all of the pastel colors. Then we also have some credit cards, which has been highly requested. Some dollar bills in 4 different green colors. You have some normal cell phones, some piggy banks, some masks, some houses, and then last but not least also some AirPods. So those are the 10 doodle releases for this week from 51 to 60. Then let's go into the foil bundle for this week. I love this one so much. I was so excited whenever this one was on my little pile of like foil bundles that are ready to release. It's so pretty. It is the celestial format, and it is champagne lights. Y'all know champagne lights is one of my favorite foils. It is pretty much if gold had a baby with sparkly hollow, it would be champagne lights. It's the sparkly hollow version of gold. So my favorite. So there will be the matte label samplers available a la carte, and then this is the celestial format of that. It will go with literally so much, guys. Any spread. I don't even think it needs to be like a space galaxy kind of spread. It just goes with everything. I just love champagne lights, y'all know. So you do get the 6 full boxes and the headers on the side. You get 2 pages of those. You do get 2 pages of the bougie boxes. Oh, so pretty. You get the icons and the scripts. And then last but not least, oh, this page is so pretty with these big chunks of foil. You have the 15mm bottom washi along with the fancy headers, the deco, and the date numbers. I'm super excited because I mentioned in my last video, which was the mystery reveal, that I am working on some new foil bundles for mystery that's been requested a lot, and also doing some fun foils for mystery. I hear y'all. I am, well, they're on their way actually. Some of them are going to actually be here the day that you're watching this. But even next month has a fun foil, which I'm really excited about. But I do have a bunch of new formats coming. Like, you know, this is celestial. I have confetti. I have park hopper. I have magic. I have heart. Actually, well, I don't have heart in this format, but it's coming. But I have, I think, like 6 or 7 new formats coming over the next year, and I'm really excited for you guys to see those. So let's go ahead and get into the kits. I do have 1 new kit, so let's start with that. And then I have 2 highly requested reformats. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first things first is, I I know a lot of you guys have been waiting to see kind of like what I'm doing for Theo's birthday, and I did do exclusive art as per usual. Well, I usually do it for Bennett's birthday. This will be Theo's first birthday, and I knew I wanted to do a Winnie the Pooh theme, and I think this turned out so beautiful. This is exclusive art by Kittenish Girl Jess, and I just think it turned out amazing. I love the more like vintagey colors, and I just think it's chef kiss perfection. And I think this would be perfect for a birthday, a baby shower, really kind of anything in that sorts. Or if you just really like Winnie the Pooh and just want something that has like total Winnie the Pooh bee vibes, totally going to be using the Caress Press hexagon bee bundle with this. I actually bought 2 because I was like, I need one to use and one to hoard. The extra box is here. This one is a little quote box that says, sometimes the smallest things take up the most room in your heart. And then just some more of the little like party hats and the florals here. I'm obsessed with these colors. So Winnie the Pooh, so cute, so summer, spring, honey colors. It's just so pretty. When I saw the art in my email box, I knew it was love. I was so excited, and I just think these patterns are so pretty. The bottom washi with the abstract like hexagon is so nice. And then you do have the clear with black script freebie. So that is the ultimate kit. I'll go ahead and go through the mini kit with you guys too. All of the kits this week do come in ultimate and mini. So the mini kit has these same full boxes, the same deco page, the glitter headers. This is the mini kit exclusive page, the bottom washi, and then the same freebie there. Yeah, just so obsessed with this. And then let me show you guys the add-on options. So you do have the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. There is the option if you want to add on the label sampler. And then last but not least, there is also fam add-ons, the normal 6. So you do have kind of like a Piglet and a Pooh, and I just think it's so cute. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Stinking adorable. I love this. I think it's the cutest thing ever. This little like pouty guy, he's adorable. So that is, oh, it's called Oh Bother. I don't even think I mentioned it, but it is Theo's first birthday kit. So I'm really excited about that. Can't wait to decorate in a little Winnie the Pooh party. Let's go into the other 2 kit releases for this week. So we do have another art release. This was from last year from Kittenish Girl Jess, and this is the gamer kit. I did reformat the boxes and everything, so I'll go ahead and go through this with you guys. It does also come in a mini kit, of course. So you do have the new format boxes. I did do what I did in a couple of kits. I think I did it in like Haunted Magic. I've done it in Spooky Magique. I did it in a more recent kit that was like maybe more pastel, I don't remember. But I do like kind of like a glow around some of the items, and I think it looks really cool specifically with this set because there's so many like different colored lights and things like that in there and the backgrounds and stuff. But I think it turned out super cute, and I have reformatted like 20 or 30 kits, and this is definitely one of my favorite reformats. I think it turned out really, really, really cute. So that is the full boxes page. The extra boxes here, you have the game over sign with the little like are they called Joy-Cons? I think so. I'm not totally sure. I have a Nintendo Switch Lite, so I don't know all the lingo on this one. And then you have the little cat with the headphones, just super cute. Really pretty colors, same as always. You have the deco. Love this. And you do have the faux, like kind of fun, colorful glitter throughout. Solid pattern, so pretty. And then the bottom washi is the black with the rainbow splatter. And I'll go ahead and show you guys the 15mm strip kind of like with it, so you guys can see how like awesome this would look. I think this would look really pretty with rainbow, or if you wanted to pick out one of the colors specifically, like a pink, purple, blue, green, orange, you know, any of the colors, and use that, or a hollow, a sparkly hollow silver, or a black would look really cool with this, or you can mix like a black and a color. I think that'd be cool. So lots of options. And I know whenever this was released last year, so many people had so many cool spreads with it. I love the way my spread turned out with it. I think it was super cute. And then the freebie for this one is some doodles. Actually, I think that the laptops were released last week, but these ones have not been released yet. So kind of a little bit of a sneak peek, but that will come in both the ultimate as well as the mini kit. I just thought it was cute. I did something similar in dream, and I think it turned out adorable. So again, you do have the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. There is the label sampler if you want to add that on, and then there is also 2 different fashion options, I think similar to before. So super, super cute. I love them. So that is everything for Gamer. And then last but not least is Darla. So this is another one that's been highly requested. The Up kit is still coming. With reformats, I think I mentioned recently, I usually save them for if I don't see any art that's released that I'm going to use. I normally throw in some reformats and kind of try and do them as time sensitive as possible. So if they're summer, I try to get them out before, let's say like winter or anytime kits. But I will be releasing reformats kind of as I have room to do so. So this does come in an ultimate as well as a mini kit. Comes with the same freebie in both. Let's go ahead and go through this. I did also reformat. I don't think that there's actually been a reformat that I just plop the boxes in. I think all of the reformats I have kind of just started from scratch just to see kind of how it flows with my style, and I think it turned out super, super, super cute. So this is the Darla kit. It is a Finding Nemo inspired kit, and I think it turned out super cute the second time around along with the first, and you guys have been requesting it like crazy, so very excited to finally be releasing it. I did switch up some things. So this extra box here has a or a stele. It's like a blossom, and then you have like all of the like planning supplies on the outside, and then over here you have a phone that says Just Keep Swimming as a little background, and then also like a little Easter egg is I did put in the date that Finding Nemo came out along with like 2003, because like it came out in 2003, so I thought that was cute. Just a little something a little like hidden in there that was adorable. And then I did redo the papers as well, so we'll show you those whenever we get to like a more papery page. Deco, glitter, you have the half boxes and icons, the solid, and then there's the patterns. They're so cute. I love this one the best actually, with the P. Sherman. And then the bottom washi is the sand. I think it looks super cute. And then the extra here, which I think pulls in the sand, is a extra color. I don't know if I've done this format of extra color, but it's basically like Bunny Day, and also the mysteries have this on like one of the pages, and then Bunny Day had an extra label add-on that had this in 2 colors, and I thought this was a nice like little sampling. I might have done it in another kit, but I honestly don't remember if it has been released yet or not, but I really also like this color. So this will be in the ultimate and the mini as well. I think it's a super cute little addition, and it'll pull it in for the bottom washi, which looks so good with the full boxes. Super cute. Let's go through the add-ons here. So you do have the 15mm and the label sampler. So that's everything for this week. I hope that you guys like this week's new releases, and I'm very excited to get back into videos. I feel re-energized, and I want to do a lot more like, I don't know, different videos. I feel like I've done a lot of like new release, plan with me, haul, and I want to do some different things that I've been wanting to do for a while. A lot of like organization videos in my new planning office and things like that, but that is coming very soon. I did actually save most of my plan with me's to do, so you guys are going to get a nice little backlog of plan with me's, and I might actually talk through them. I did a little poll on the community tab, and I'm going to see kind of which you guys prefer. But I feel like in my new office, it's going to be much easier for me to film plan with me's, and you shouldn't be able to hear like as much stuff. Obviously, I do have 2 kidders, so you'll always hear a little something, but that's okay. So again, this week we do have Darla, we have Gamer, and then the new collection, which is Oh Bother. It's just so pretty and so cute, and I think it's going to be a really nice spread. I think it'll look really good with gold, silver, champagne lights. Like I said, I am using the Crest Press. I'll probably pull in some other gold, obviously, but I am using the Crest Press. I'll actually show you guys that, so if you guys want to pick that up. I don't know if Maggie has any more left, but you can check. Yeah, I'm way behind on Plan With Me's, but this one here has like hexagons and little like mostly hexagons. I don't think there's any bee stuff, but I also bought some bee stuff from Sadie's stickers that I have over here actually that I'm going to pull in. A couple other sheets. That'll be in my haul. I think I'm going to put up a haul on Wednesday, or Friday. I might put the haul Friday. I don't know. We'll see. It's going to come up sometime soon. So that's everything for this week. Again, we also have the quote boxes and the doodles and also the foil bundle. So I hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.